Today we're going to be doing something a bit different. Me and another creator are having a 2-day, 48-hour animation challenge where we're going to be using the same program under the same time frame. It's just going to be our own creative battle. So let's see who can create the most insane animation scene. But first, let's discuss the rules. So the challenge is just slightly dangerous.
Really? We're just making an animation.
No, but the short is called the button, and that alone should worry you.
Okay, now I'm interested.
An empty room, a red button in the center, and a huge sign that says, "Do not press."
And of course, the main character will press it.
Yes, and that's where everything begins. Doubt, tension, paranoia.
So will everything explode?
Worse.
The world start glitching?
Worse.
The universe disappears?
Almost.
So, how does it end?
No spoilers, but here's the real challenge. We both have to animate it using the same animation software.
Okay, let's use Dreams.
Sure.
So it's not about the software, it's about who can be more creative.
Yeah, better storytelling, stronger visuals, smarter animation choices.
And probably less sleep.
Definitely less sleep. At the end, you, the viewer, will decide who created the best animation, so let us know in the comments below.
So stay until the end and choose your winner.
And remember, some buttons are better left untouched. First one to the door gets to hit the button. There it is. It's inside that door. I can't wait. Oh wait, but I have no idea how to get in there. Oh, I know. I can summon a magic wand. And then I can blast it like this. And now we're in. Now, where do I find that button? There it is! But should I press it though? They say something scary comes out of it. Let's do it! Ah! Oh, that is scary.
You basically did everything frame by frame. Honestly, 48 hours weren't even enough to fully complete it.
Yeah, so my main goal really was to create a storyboard with a story from start to finish. But I actually had to change the ending because that was more my backup plan. I wanted to go in a different way with the story if I could have animated more.
The result is really good though. I really like the style you used. The magical atmosphere is super inspiring. I'd love to see it fully finished.
Yeah, I wanted to create like a magical world with a lot of like floating elements. The door in the background was also supposed to have a bigger secret, but I didn't get to that.
I also really liked the character animation, especially the magic stuff and all those effects. Really cool.
Yeah, I rotoscoped that hand part. It actually was the part of the animation that took me the longest, but that saved me a lot of time instead of actually just animating a hand.
The transitions between the sequences are really interesting. For the voice, did you use any online tool?
No, that was actually my voice. It felt faster to just do it myself rather than find a whole voice actor or find some sound clips.
Honestly, you've got a solid acting skills. So I guess the character is based on you.
No, just the voice. I was inspired by this witch anime that's showing right now.
I had 48 hours from a script to do all. The storyboard, sets, character. And immediately I thought of doing something absolutely simple in the drawings. I designed everything on Procreate to have complete control over the shapes. For example, the character had to have a head like a moon, and for the background I needed to be able to create straight lines. In a short time I drew most of the elements so I could fully concentrate on the animations on Dreams, which I would have taken up most of my time. I usually create all the animations on characters and environments first. In my workflow I try to keep the whole scene in one group, so that I can later add camera movements that make everything more cinematic. There are also some frame-by-frame animations like the glitches on the earth or the explosions, all very simple and quick to finish the short. I left the audio for the end in case I couldn't finish the rest. At least there was the video. even if from my point of view the audio makes 50% of the projects. But now let's see the result together. Have fun watching the short.
Oh, nice. So you actually managed to finish a short.
Yeah, but only because everything you see is a rig-based animation. Otherwise, I'd still be figuring it out.
Better than me. I really like how you built the scenes. They're very cinematic.
Yeah, I try to make everything as dynamic as possible with camera movement and scene transitions. In this kind of animation, I think it's at least 50% of work.
So I'm guessing you also use Procreate to make your assets and then you import them into Procreate Dreams?
Yeah, I needed precision, especially for character shapes, and the quick shape really helped.
And what inspired your character design?
I wanted something simple but expressive, especially through the eyes. That's why I went for a big head, almost like a moon.
Cool, nice. I really like the glitch effects as well.
Yes, some are frame-by-frame animations, like the Earth glitch, others are noise filter, like a transmission breaking.
Nice, nice. I like the camera work and the effects as always.
So yes, this was basically 48 hours animation challenge.
Intense but really interesting.
I think the coolest part is seeing two completely different approaches to the same challenge. One magical fantasy world, the other more cinematic storytelling. Under pressure, you really end up making more instinctive creative decisions.
And you're forced to simplify and decide everything a lot faster.
So, final question. From 1 to 10, how tough was it to complete your animation?
For me, I think it was like probably a solid 10.
It was a 12 for me. Now for the viewers. If you enjoyed this format, we can definitely do more challenge like this. Maybe even crazier constraints. Like no storyboard?
Exactly, pure chaos.
Let us know in the comments who you think won and which style you prefer. If you want more behind the scenes content like this, make sure to subscribe to my channel and check out Savonne's video as well. See you in the next video.